Hey everybody, it's Giselle and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Christmas craft project. This is definitely a craft fair inspired, but for a couple of years now I've seen individuals on YouTube, amazing ladies, wrap those, not just for Christmas, but for other occasions, the Hershey Nuggets. And I've been looking all over here in Canada for the Hershey Nuggets, and I finally gave up. I'm going to look to see if when I look for them when I cross over into the States. If I go in the fall, I will, next fall, I will definitely put it on my list of one of the things to get. Um, so I was seeing one craft fair ideas from, I think it was Grey Power 60, and she's Canadian, and she put, she packaged up these chocolates. So these came from Dollarama. So they're milk chocolates, and I believe there's about 9 in a pack, and they are, if I can get a better angle, they are Christmas themed. Well, that one is, and I have ones that I have packaged up already that are Christmas, and not all. So the pack looks like this. You can see there's the Santa Claus, and the pack was $2. So this one had caramel, and this one, which is the blue one, is just milk chocolate. And again, sorry for they were $2 for the pack, and I believe there's about 9 in this pack. So they are peanut free, etc. So I thought that I could wrap them up. So I began trying to just fiddle around, get paper size, and just wrap it up just to make it look nicer. I wasn't going to get too fusky because it was taking a lot of time to hide the colors. So because they are bigger than I believe the Hershey Nuggets. So I just made a few packs because it was time consuming and I'm trying to do a lot. So I just used these little treat bags from Dollar Tree. These ones are from Dollar Tree. I have a circle stamp that I just cut out from paper, put decorative paper in the back. So the candies, the chocolates that I used were the 2 that I showed you, and then peppermints. So this idea I got to use these chocolates. So again, not all Dollarama has the Christmas one. So I just had to pick up a pack that wasn't Christmas, but that's okay. And then again, I'm using the peppermint patty. So watching so many of these Hershey Nugget videos, I did get inspired by Scrap Diva 29. I'll put a link in her channel as well as Grey Power's channel. She did it 3 different ways, I believe. I tried to take 2 of the ideas. This one I kind of eyeballed because, again, the measurements, well, they all I eyeballed because the measurements are different. I'm not using Hershey Nuggets, and I'm using 2 different chocolates. So this one, like I said, I just used circle punch because I thought, oh, wow, it fits perfect, just to add a decorative feel to it. I was going to do more to the packaging, like add a bow or some twine, but I was running out of time. I had a family emergency, so I wasn't doing stuff for a good 3 weeks. So, and again, this is what I'm giving away in my gift bags from my party with family and friends. So she did a style similar to this. Hers was a lot nicer than mine, but it's neat that you can just, take regular chocolate and make it look fairly pretty by wrapping them up. She also did a style like this one here. Sorry about that. So she put like a belly band Again, I wrapped them up, and because of the material of the chocolates, it was hard to maneuver around and tape and all that, so they were coming apart, so it was just taking too much time. So anyways, for the ones I did complete, similar to hers, and she put in a cute little belly band so they can just slip it off. And I didn't necessarily think that I needed packaging for this because of the belly band. I was thinking of doing more, like putting a bow or doing something else, but I left it like this. So there are the chocolates, and in here I only put 3. So I put one each, one the caramel, one of the milk chocolate, and then the mint one is in the middle. And then I did this pattern as well. So I only did 2 or 3. I don't know where the other one is of that style. So because I was running out of time, I decided just to do this so I can just do it quickly. So I didn't wrap them. And I knew I had these bags that I wanted to use up, because the idea with this was to use my paper and bags and everything that I had on hand and not buy anything new. So I was running low on these anyway, so that's why I was thinking, what am I going to do? How am I going to package them up? And then I was going to use paper, but it was taking so much time. I would even do this again without, see, this one's coming off, without wrapping it, if I can get it into almost like a box, because you can still see the, oops, you can still see the wrapping underneath. So I would still do that if I didn't have so much to do. If I do it, or if I did it in enough time. So like I said, I had these treat bags, so they're resealable treat bags that I got from Dollarama. I believe they were $1.25, and it has the pattern on it. So I just cut paper to size to put it on the inside, and then I just used some tape to stick the chocolates down onto the paper, and then I just put them in this bag. I was only using 4, so I folded the bag down. I was thinking of putting a topper, but I thought this is just perfect, and I think it looks cute, and that will go into the package that I'm giving out for, here's another one for my guests that come on Saturday. So this is another one. So very fun to do. It's just that I got tied up with a lot of family things, and I wasn't able to continue. If I was going to get all the crafting done, I had to find a different way to do it. I still think these look cute and festive for the guests that come, and that is it. And again, because there was no wrapping and the plastic was just giving me a hard time. Yeah, so here are the bags that I use. It was $1, and there it is, luxury gift bag, zipper loop bags. But the pattern is this cute little snowman, and that's the size of it, so you can fit a decent amount of things in it. And it had a lot of the, not a lot, but I think I have other patterns too. And yeah, so I'm glad I was able to use, that was a whole new pack that I used and to finish up. So my chocolates are done, and now I'm on to the next craft. So tell me what you think. Which one did you like the most? And what are your ideas on what I could use if I can't find the nuggets? Yeah, so here's how I wrapped. So taking a lot of tape, so I would fold this down, tape it, and tape again around. It was just a lot of wrapping. Anyways, thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next crafting video. Take care. Bye.